In this video, you will learn how to configure priority voice over IP traffic shaping with your FortiGate. You will give VoIP communications a high traffic priority with a guaranteed bandwidth to ensure quality of service. To achieve high-quality real-time voice transmissions, VoIP traffic requires priority over all other types of traffic, minimal packet loss, and jitter buffers. You will use a traffic shaper to limit bandwidth-consuming services like FTP, and another shaper to provide a consistent bandwidth for day-to-day email, web, and other traffic. First, you will customize 3 existing traffic shapers: high priority, medium priority, and low priority, and then create a separate security policy for each service type. Go to System, Config, Features, and click the Show More button to view additional features. If necessary, enable traffic shaping and VoIP. Apply your changes. Then go to Policy and Objects, Objects, Traffic Shapers, and edit the high priority traffic shaper to customize it for VoIP traffic. Set type to shared. Apply the shaper per policy so that you will have the same distribution of bandwidth, regardless of the number of policies using the shaper. Set traffic priority to high. Set max bandwidth to 1000 and guaranteed bandwidth to 800. Edit the low priority traffic shaper to customize it for FTP traffic. Set type to shared. Apply the shaper to all policies using this shaper. This ensures that all policies using your shaper will be restricted to share a set amount of bandwidth. Set traffic priority to low. Set max bandwidth and guaranteed bandwidth to 200. Setting a low maximum bandwidth will prevent sudden spikes in traffic caused by large FTP file uploads and downloads. Edit the medium priority traffic shaper to customize a shaper for regular daily traffic. Set type to shared. This shaper should be set to per policy so that day-to-day traffic has the same distribution of bandwidth. Leave the traffic priority at medium. Set the max bandwidth and guaranteed bandwidth to a moderate value. Go to Policy and Objects, Policy, IPv4, and create a new security policy for SIP traffic. Set your incoming interface to your local LAN. Set outgoing interface to your internet-facing interface. Set service to SIP. Enable VoIP and select the default. Then, enable Shared Shaper and select High Priority. Make sure that you include a reverse shaper so that return traffic for a VoIP call has the same guaranteed bandwidth as an outgoing call. For logging options, select All Sessions. Then, create a security policy for FTP traffic. Configure your basic settings again, but set the service to FTP this time. Enable Shared Shaper and select Low Priority. Also enable the reverse shaper. For logging options, select All Sessions. Next, edit your security policy for daily web-based email and other traffic. Enable Shared Shaper and select Medium Priority. Also enable the reverse shaper. For logging options, select All Sessions. Make sure to arrange your policies in the correct order. Move the SIP and FTP policies above the general security policy for daily traffic. Browse the internet using a PC on your internal network to generate daily web traffic. Then, generate FTP traffic. Finally, generate SIP traffic. Go to Policy and Objects, Monitor, Traffic Shaper Monitor, and report by the current bandwidth. You can see how much of your current bandwidth is being used by active traffic shapers. If the standard traffic volume is high enough, it will top out at the maximum bandwidth defined by each shaper. If your traffic shaping configuration is working, the voice quality of your VoIP calls should not be affected by daily traffic variations or by FTP downloads. Thank you for watching. If you need further details, you can visit docs.fortinet.com to access our complete documentation library. Also, check out our new cookbook site at cookbook.fortinet.com for more video tutorials.